For those of you that are scared of heights or claustrophobic, we want to welcome you to the top. This is a Keystone example of the actual dimensions and what it is like up at the top of the arch. You only have about 6.5 feet clearance. It is 17 feet wide. It is 60 feet long. There's 16 windows on each side that are a little bit smaller than this, but we have these out here for those people that have visual impairments. They're hard to see. We put TV screens in here. But what we did up at the top, so you can have the actual experience of being at the top, we have live feed cameras. We have cameras up at the top of the arch that bring a live picture down here. So what you see on these screens, people at the top are actually seeing out the windows.